First, start with your layer cake squishy and spiral your Bluerazzleberry Jameez on top. Add your next squishy layer and then take your Tangerini Fluffiwhipz and twist it all up, and then twirl it on top of your creation. Add your next squishy layer. Now take some more Tangerini Fluffiwhipz and roll it out into a thin sheet. Now take your sheet of Fluffiwhipz and drape it over your squishies and smooth out all the rough edges. Now we're going to do the same thing with your Grapify Swirleez. Roll it out nice and thin. This time we're going to cut it into thin strips. Place your swirly strips over your creation. For the next layer, let's add our Starberry Drizzlerz. Stretch it out and layer it on top. Add your Rosette squishy right on top. Next, let's add another twist of Fluffiwhipz. Ooh, I love the look of that. And it's my favorite part, let's squeeze! It's easy to separate all your Slimy Cafe toppings and put them back into the package to use for another day.